Vril-ya, the Noble Ones, a powerful race of highly advanced and enlightened beings. Their story is told in the book Vril, The Power of the Coming Race by Edward Bulwer-Lytton. Some believe the book to be fiction, others believe to hold truth and esoteric knowledge. The Vril-ya Gesellschaft is based on the book. The Gesellschaft I created takes from the story. We are spiritually the Vril-ya. We are an esoteric secret society. The Vril-ya Gesellschaft is for the spiritual elite. We look for those who are serious about their evolution. The spiritual elite, hidden and seen. The elite are scattered throughout the world. Not all belong to this specific community. We are an open-minded group of people. We have a variety of beliefs, but our end goal is the same. We are out to expose the corruption in Abrahamism, Christianity, Islam, Judaism. We work on bringing out the seed of truth within these religions. The snake must shed its skin. The phoenix must burn and be reborn through fire. The phoenix is the Christ Lucifer rising. It is King of Kings. The beating heart of the Vril-ya is the Holy Spirit, Christ Sophia. Definition of Christ, Anointed One. In order to be anointed, one must prove himself or herself worthy. Be unconditional love. Love is action, not just words. Unconditional love is about knowing yourself. Know the light and the darkness. Know all yourself. Confront your lower nature. Transform it. Then shine it on others. Be the living example for others. Pass on the fire of knowledge. Strive for perfection. Even if you fail at times, get up and walk again. Be the warrior. Prove yourself worthy of the crown of glory. Words of the Vril-ya. Build your temple through struggle, and through struggle you will come out like a shining diamond. Obstacles, pain, battles, little man versus big man. King David of the tribe of Judah comes to mind. Out of the whole Bible, King David is my favorite character. Like David, we fight our own Goliaths. One Goliath is the religious system. David, in the story, was a man who went through a lot, good times, bad times, but was considered a great king. As David was anointed to be king, so shall we. We are the Messianic age, the golden age. We are spiritual Israel, Elohim of Zion. I am the root and the offspring of David and the bright and morning star. Vril-ya, the noble son. What does it mean to be noble? One definition is having or showing fine personal qualities or high moral principles and ideals. Noble one. Aryan of the sun, pure and true. We strive to become better spiritual beings. We work to become master builders. Faith without works is dead. Build up the temple. Be a light to the world. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Look in the spiritual mirror, and there is God looking back at you. A gentle whisper, I am that I am.